welcome back guys to my channel. This is Chef Rudy again, and today we're gonna make curry chicken. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's go guys, let's get cooking. So here we have all my ingredients. I got some onions, tomatoes, dry season. I got some nice curry powder. All right guys, and we have one pot on the stove for the rice, one for the curry chicken, and we're getting ready to start guys. Look at that, chicken is already cut up, getting ready to start. So I'm gonna start by washing up my chicken with some vinegar. We're gonna wash the chicken down, some vinegar. Get that washed down a little bit guys. And we're gonna add some dry season, some meat season. We're gonna add some salt. Garlic powder. And guys, we're gonna put some curry in there too. A lot of people in the comment section is asking me what kind of curry we use. Jamaica choice and grace curry, those two. So there you have it people. So now we're gonna do some other seasons, which my natural season. I'm gonna get that cut up. And we got some garlic crushed there already. I'll get all my natural season involved. And some green onion guys, cutting that. I have some red onions too, and some regular yellow onions. And we have, of course, we have some scotch bonnet pepper. Give it a nice flavor. We have some fresh thyme. So guys, let's get cooking guys. So I'm just gonna put half of the natural season on it right now. The rest gonna go on later. Put some garlic in the pot there. Alright guys, put a little oil as well. Put some curry also in the pot. Get that going. Like a spoonful. Alright guys, now we're gonna rub up the chicken. Got my gloves on. Let that stay there for a minute. Gloves. And of course guys, we're gonna put a little black pepper also. So one scotch bonnet, just for flavor. I'm gonna put a little cumin. Meanwhile, guys, we're gonna turn on our stove for the rice. Alright, guys, nice and hot. Add the chicken. There you go, guys. Let's get cooking. Making some nice curry chicken. That's a lot of people's favorite. I'm looking forward to this chicken. Channel, we make some lobster. We make other things curry. First time we're doing some curry chicken. Get all my natural season cut up, guys. Turn this on a little bit. It's looking good, guys. Looking good. Looking good. Rice pot looking good. This is Scallion in there. Black pepper. Guys, we're gonna wash some rice. We're gonna add the rice. Looking good, guys. I'm gonna add my natural seasoning now. Look at that. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that color. And of course, we're gonna add some potatoes. A bit of water. Just let it simmer down nicely. That's it, people. Look at that. There you have it. Okay, guys, look at that. We're halfway there. It's looking good. Yeah, that's nice. The rice is almost done. Looking good, looking good. Okay, guys, look at that. We are ready to serve. Look at that, some nice curry. And of course, you make some cabbage on the side. Check that out, guys. With some cabbage on the side and some white rice. And just like that, guys, we are ready to eat. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Curry chicken with some steamed cabbage and some steamed rice. And let's eat, guys. Thank you guys for watching. This is Chef Rudy again. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Respect. Have a nice day.